हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वायरस एंड एंटीवायरस के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर वायरस इज डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी, क्रीपर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए कंप्यूटर वायरस इज डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए कंप्यूटर programs that separates itself. Next question, virus stands for dash. Right answer is Vital Information Resource under SIG. Next question. The first PC virus was developed in dash. Right answer is 1986. Next question. Which of the following is not an antivirus software? Right answer is Code Red. Next question. A computer virus can dash. Right answer is options D, all of above. Next question. Virus in computers is related to dash. Right answer is option C, program. Next question. To protect systems, there are how many levels of security level? Right answer is 3 level. Next question. First boot sector virus is dash. Right answer is brain. Next question. What is the virus that spreads in computer? Right answer is it is a computer program. Next question. What is the first boot sector's virus? Right answer is brain. Next question. What is the names of first computer virus? Right answer is creeper. Next question. What is antivirus? Right answer is it is a program code. Next question. Computer virus is simply meanings is dash. Right answer is set of computer instructions or code. Next question. Almost all microcomputer contain dash. Right answer is all of above. Next question. Antivirus softwares is an examples of dash. Right answer is a security utility. Next question. Dash is also known as cavity virus. Right answer is space filter virus. Next question. What is the names of first computer virus? Right answer is creeper. Next question. What is antivirus? Right answer is it is a program code. Next question. Antivirus softwares is an examples of dash. Right answer is a security utility. Next question. Which of the following requires large computer's memory? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. A desktop computer is also known as a dash. Right answer is PC, personal computers. Thank you.